Introducing the Easy Connect joining system. With this innovative joining system, smaller factory-assembled subgroup combinations can now be joined together directly in the rough opening, making job site installation easier. The Easy Connect joining system uses 4 9/16" fiberglass components to provide greater strength and design flexibility for large window combinations that can meet higher structural design pressure requirements. Our reinforced joining options are available in 3 variations. The Easy Connect joining system, which we'll detail in a moment. Fully joined combinations that are factory assembled in complete combinations up to 12 feet by 8 feet and arrive at the job site ready to install directly into the rough opening. And an Easy Connect joining kit that includes the necessary joining materials for individual units to be joined at the job site. All 3 of our reinforced joining options are Hallmark certified for air, water, and structural performance. In this video, we'll be highlighting the Easy Connect joining system. This patented system offers a unique and innovative way to install large or heavy window combinations in a safer and easier manner. The specified larger combination is divided into smaller subgroup assemblies that have all the joining components needed for installation factory applied. That means no unit disassembly is required on the job site. Plus, units are easier to shim and square because of the reduced weight with smaller combinations. The fiberglass joining plates, alignment spacers, and half gussets are applied to the units based on how the combination is divided into smaller groups. For example, if a project calls for a 12-foot by 8-foot A-series window combination consisting of 4 transoms joined above 4 casement windows, the complete factory-assembled combination with standard glass weighs about 540 pounds. If laminated glass is used, the weight increases to over 600 pounds. With our Easy Connect joining system, depending on how you want to install the unit, it can be divided into 2 or 4 smaller combinations. When divided into 4 smaller combinations, each A-series window assembly weighs about 135 pounds with standard glass or over 150 pounds with laminated glass, making handling and installation at the job site easier. The following installation of the Easy Connect joining system is for demonstration purposes only and does not include all necessary installation steps. Once the windows are at the job site, inspect all factory-applied joining components. Install the first combination into the left-hand side of the rough opening. Then, shim and level the unit and secure it to the rough opening through the half gusset and nailing flange. Now slide the next combination into the rough opening so that the joining plate of the unit that's being installed slides into the joining plate of the unit that's already installed. Repeat this process until all combinations are installed. Now that all the units are installed, insert the end plugs provided into the mole intersections and at the ends of the mole joints. Fill all end plugs with sealant until you see squeeze out. Then, run sealant the full length of the fiberglass joining plates and apply the vertical exterior trim strip 1/4 inch from the top of the unit. Repeat this process for the horizontal exterior trim strips. Next, apply the end caps. Finally, apply the full-length drip cap to the top of the combination and your installation is complete.